Example, a plus b whole square equal to 36 and ab equal to 8. What is the value of a square plus b square? Answer, here a plus b whole square equal to 36. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36. A square plus b square plus 2 into AB value is given here 8. Therefore 2 into 8 is equal to 36. A square plus b square plus 2 8s are 16 is equal to 36. A square plus b square equal to 36 plus 16, take this right side, becomes minus 16. Therefore a square plus b square equal to 36 minus 16 is 20 is the answer.